In today's video will be a quick unboxing of my recent purchase. I just purchased a drone and obviously I just received it. So let's see what it is. I'm going to open it now to see if they deliver what I actually purchased. It should be a Mavic 4 Pro. Nicely packed. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. It's heavy. Let's turn it around. And that's a creator's combo, as you can see. That side. Maybe here. Let's see what's inside. That's for the first time I'm ordering a drone. I've never owned one. For a long time I wanted to order myself a Mavic 3 Pro. I waited a bit. The last few days I was watching videos of it, and here it is. A nice big bag, carrying bag. Oh, that's a nice hook. Let's see what's inside. That's like a propellers. Docking station. The videos I've seen, the batteries come, 2 batteries in here and 1 in the actual drone. This one, by the look of it, has 3 batteries in here with the docking. Yeah, it looks like this one came from the drone. 3 batteries. These are the cables. Plenty of cables. Wherever you live in the world, they give you appropriate cable. That's the controller. Let's open that in a second. Fast USB cable. And that's the brick, power brick. It looks like a laptop brick. Let's see the controller here. That's the brand new controller. It's not that heavy. Not that I've ever holded any controller of any kind, but I expect it to be heavier, so nice display. Just put it aside here. And that's the actual drone. And as you can see, that's not something that it's been sent to me. I've seen on the other boxes that people open, it said not for sale. This one is actually, I bought this one after the official release on 13th. So let's see how this, I'm just a bit nervous. Okay. 3 camera setup, famous Hasselblad. And that's it of this opening video. We'll see how it flies, and I will post more videos in the future. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.